In this video, I'll show you how you can add music in Premiere Pro. This will be useful for those that need to understand the basics of Premiere Pro and where to find music. So you've got a couple of options and I'm going to show you them right now. Now there are many different ways that you can source music online. If you're creating a video for YouTube, you can source it straight from YouTube themselves by going to the YouTube audio library. To do that, go to YouTube, go to your channel icon, go to YouTube Studio. Then once you're in Studio, scroll down on the left until you see Audio Library, and from here you might find some music that resonates with your video. You can filter by clicking on the three dots, and then you can filter by title, genre, mood, and so on. And you can then preview these music tracks and then download them. If you're not creating a YouTube video and you want other ways to source music, I recommend pixabay.com. This is another website where you can get royalty-free music for free. So you can go and search for it, or you can just filter through their library and filter through editor's choice, latest, trending, and you can go ahead and filter through these tags. Again, you can download some music. So we'll just download this one. And in most cases, it will just open up this window. You can save it to your downloads. You can also Google royalty-free music, and that will give you a lot of different options. Some of these might be paid. Epidemic Sound is very good. I use that for my other channel, but you do have to pay for it. But either way, once you've got the music file downloaded, you can now add it to Premiere. So open up your project in Premiere, and then you need to find the track. So what I like to do is I like to open up File Explorer. I can then go to Downloads, and here is the music file. We can simply just drag it onto an audio track in Premiere. Now, obviously, you can go ahead and make adjustments to this. So I'm just going to cut out the start and we're going to cut off the end. And yeah, now you've added your music and it should now go with your video. You can edit and make any adjustments needed.